Alright, when we get to our hips, we're going to go ahead and use either our M-Seal. You can put that down either side, like that. Or you can use our barrier foam. It's going to just go down over the panels, just like so. And then we're going to take our shingle cap, and we're going to go ahead and place this on my corners. Figure out my angle. And you can see just making lines 1 inch, 2 lines 1 inch, 1 inch, and then doing a fold creates a 3D look. And that is just going to hook my starter strip in my panel. And we want to make sure we chalk the line, keep this nice and straight. And then we're going to go ahead and put fastener on either side. And then we can just continue up the roof. You can see we're going to hook that just like so. And then just continue fastening.